Resources Incorporated opens a suburban living experience meant for families to commune with nature located in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Find serenity in a 12-hectare master plan community within the eco-friendly suburbia of North Orchard Residences nestled in the heart of Bulacan, filled with lifestyle hubs that perfectly complement the natural beauty of greenscape and environment. Live serenely from your own space to a nearby garden-inspired parks. North Orchard harmonizes its residential community with its commercial centers, lifestyles, and recreational hubs. Secured, gated, and serene community with 24/7 security. Your weekend respite right next to your doorsteps. Discover a new whole outlook communing with nature. Cherish every family moment and discover modern contemporary lifestyle with a space for you and your family. This single-attached two-story house with a minimum gross floor area of 112.36 square meters and a minimum lot area of 80 square meters. It is a gated house with car garage and with 2-slot space. A beautiful space as your lawn, a porch, service area, 2 bedrooms, master suite, 2 toilet and bath, living area, dining, and kitchen area. Discover your new living in North Orchard Residences with Solar Resources. Solar Resources Incorporated is committed to offer you your ideal home that makes for a valuable investment and a great suburban experience. Retreat to this northern residence and make your move into something new. Start your new living with Solar Resources.